Hi, my name is Alison Croney Moses. I'm the director of the School and Community Partnership Program at the Eliot School of Fine and Applied Arts. We are entering week 4 of social distancing, which means my husband and I have been home with our kids. So we're splitting work schedules, childcare, and then kids go to bed and there's more work. It's busy, but I can say that we are trying to be as present as possible with our family, with each other. And we are being as creative as possible. That is helping us to get through each day. We're drawing, painting, cooking, building forts, using imagination play. And I have a 3.5-year-old son and a 1-year-old daughter. And it is amazing to spend this time with them. It is a juggle with everything else, but it is amazing. So we're grateful for that. And I would say we're really missing the Eliot School community. We've grown to depend on it, and we miss every aspect of it. We miss all of you, every one of you. The smell in the wood shop, the excitement in the classes, the energy, the pride when someone completes a project. I can't wait for those things to come back to us, for us to be in person again. I'm proud of our teaching staff for quickly engaging their students virtually rather than in person. And I think all of these things will make us stronger, and I cannot wait to see the Eliot School that emerges after this. So until then, please be well, stay safe, contact us if you need us because we are here. And I can't wait to be able to give you all hugs and high fives and fist bumps and everything possible in person at the other end of this. So until then, bye.